We've only just begun to live. White lace and promises, a kiss for luck and we're on our way.
We've only begun.
Before the rising sun, we fly. So many roads to choose. We start out walking and learn to run.
And yet we've just begun.
Sharing horizons that are new to us. Watching the signs along the way. Talking it over, just the two of us. Working together day to day. Together. And when the evening comes, we smile.
So much of life ahead.
We'll find a place where there's room to grow.
And yet we've just begun.
Sharing horizons that are new to us. Watching the signs along the way. Talking it over, just the two of us. Working together day to day. Together. Together. And when the evening comes, we smile.
So much of life ahead.
We'll find a place
Where there's room to grow.
and yes, we've just begun.
Who's on this team here? There's no defense. I'll do a second ball. I'll do a second ball. No. Get them off the third row. There's a couple of girls or whatever. Boys or whatever. Second ball. Huh? Wait, 2, 2, 1,
I know people would get it. Rowdy, come on. They got me fucked.
Places on the box map.
Yeah. I'll just click on it.
Paul.
Hey, look at me and the baby. Hey. Groove. Groove, 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 groove. Terry's not there. Are these not sweet candy? Who's eating the sweets?
Yeah, that's right. You don't change your mouth for stuff.
What's that you with your salt or Peter? Oh my goodness.
Photographer. Serious business.
Sweet dreams are made
Bring the stuff back now. Get out of the way. Get out. What? No.
What is your name?
Brendan.
Where are you from, Ryan?
Dublin.
What part of Dublin?
Tala.
And why are you down here this week, you know?
No. Yeah. No. No,
Who invited you down?
just trying to.
And how are you enjoying the week?
It's brilliant.
What's this I hear about aftershave?
Aftershave.
Yeah.
I wonder who told you that.
I don't know, somebody mentioned it. Do you shave?
I do on the odd occasions. Day.
Yeah. I see, and do you put the aftershave under your arms and everything?
No, I don't put it under my ears.
What do you put
Around the
on?
neck.
Around the neck?
Yeah.
I see. And what else do you put on your face?
Cream. And put some chocolate around my lips.
I see. And why all this?
Keep yourself as nice as I am.
Keeps you as nice as you are?
Yeah.
You think you're beautiful, do you?
I think I'm gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Yeah.
Even more than that.
And do the girls think you're gorgeous?
Too right. Yeah.
They do? And had you a disc, were you at discos here?
Yep.
And did the girls dance with you?
Yep.
Were they all mad after you?
Definitely.
So I was keeping getting sick all the time, down and up every 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So that's it.
Are you happy?
I'm a very happy man.
I see. And what are you doing down here?
On a holiday.
You're on a holiday? Are you enjoying your holiday?
Rapid.
Rapid. And what's the best thing that happened all the week?
In the match today.
Oh, you had a football match today, did you?
Yeah.
And I heard you were beaten.
Yeah.
You must be terrible bad, so were you?
No.
And what did you do?
Because you were foul.
Right, lads. Right, again, lads, I'd like to ask Michael McGuire to present the trophy to the winning captain. And it was an absolutely fantastic game. We had a great game last year and the year before. Woodford won it the first year, Tala won it the second year, and it's gone back to Woodford this year. And who knows, it'll be going back to Tala again next year.
Yeah.
And I'd like to ask Michael to call on the captain and present it. Who's the captain of Woodford? Right, Thomas.
Well done, Thomas. Well played.
And stay there, the medal. Stay there for the medal. Stay there for the medal. And Sean McGuire.
One night I was in disco and I was dancing and one girl asked me to dance,
Said okay. Another girl asked me to dance. Says after this one. Another girl asked me to dance. Says after that one. Another girl asked me to dance. After that one. After that one. And she would, and they all came up at the same time, and they all started dragging out of me. And then I got a smack off the face with one of them, headbutt off the other one, kicking the shin with the other one, and the other one was something private.
Was it sore?
Face off, very, very, very sore. Ouch.
And were you out of order for the night then? You weren't able to dance anymore?
Yeah, 2 girls lifted me up to bed.
I see.
Mm,
And you went to sleep early that night?
no.
And
Got a
did they look
headbutt. I got a headbutt again, then I woke up.
Oh, I see. And who gave you the headbutt?
Fogo.
That was a hectic night, wasn't it?
Very hectic. Got a headache after that. What's the what colour is your car?
It's blue.
And how old is the car?
It's 9 years old.
9 years old. Looks very banjax to be 9 years old.
It is very banjaxed.
I hear you had a flat tire a few days back.
I had indeed, yes. Yeah.
And that you had to have children since the car up, it wouldn't work.
Well, I had 4 children with me, and they told me they were muscle men. But when I asked them to lift the car, they couldn't do it.
Anything funny happened to you during the week?
Yeah,
What?
in the football match.
Yeah?
When Marion picked up the ball and ran off for it.
Marion?
I
Why did you do that?
don't know.
Was that in the match today?
Yeah. And then Sabrina kicked the ball over our own posts.
Did you?
Yep.
Don't move out of there. Just slide it in now. All right. Right, this is the first year that we had a girls' game, and I must say this was one of the best games we've ever had. And congratulations to the two teams, and congratulations especially to Tallow who won today, but commiserations to Woodford. It was a great game, and with the help of God, next year maybe you win it. So I'd like to ask Michael Maguire, who is the brother of Father John Maguire. As you know, the reason we're here is because of Father John Maguire, and Michael, his brother, came all the way from Donegal to present this trophy to the winners. So we're calling the captain of Tallow.
Go back!
We have the medals here as well. Woodford team get together as well. Woodford team. All the Woodford girls.
Something with the Abbey Cave.
Well, we went in, and when we got to the end of it, we couldn't go any further because it was an undeveloped cave, and we had to turn back, and it was all gooey.
Did they tell you how the cave was formed?
Yeah.
Can you tell us a bit about it?
I think it was found in 1940 or something.
Okay, the best of three up to 11.
Point for
1 minute. I'll referee. No, 2. No, 3. Best of 3.
No, I think you'll be quicker on your own. I remember the first time that I went to Hazelbrook Farm. I ran all the way as I watched them make that creamy ice cream. Ah, you're back already. You know, this tastes the same as when I was a boy.
Well, I just want you to just leave on before the
He's going to the field here.
Okay. Dervla. Make a hit the ball. Now, if you don't score, go in. What a shot! Play the whistle. Huh? Just play the whistle.
Yo, you blow the whistle.
Move back a bit, move back. Back. Elaine, what's her name? Elaine. Peter, move back a bit.
Okay, you all right?
Do swimming as well.
Right, well, congratulations. I think we had a fantastic... Did you enjoy the day?
Yes.
Great. And you did very, very well. You're great sportsmen and sportswomen. And the matches went very well. 2 great games. Unfortunately, we lost one, but that's the way. And the girls had a great win. Congratulations, girls.
Yeah, for the girls!
Big cheers for the boys who put up a great show. Great.
Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip!
And also, with regard to the swimming, a lot of people came here this week and hadn't an idea how to swim. And a few people really got on very well. And the 2 we decided that made most impression and learned the most were Louise Garrity and John Fantoff. Right, that's it now. Fair play to you.
Thank you very much.